Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will try to learn that what is EC2. Amazon EC2 is one of the most important services in AWS. It allows us to launch virtual servers in the cloud within minutes. Think of EC2 as a server that runs on internet. EC2 servers launch quickly. They are highly scalable. They provide you the capability, or they provide you the flexibility that you can configure the server, and EC2 instances are cost effective. Instead of waiting days to set up physical server, you can launch an EC2 instance in less than a minute. That is why EC2 is widely used in modern cloud architecture. So the question arises that what are the real world use cases of EC2? EC2 instances are used to host websites, run applications, they are used for backend APIs, for application hosting. Suppose if you build a website or an application, you can host it on the EC2 so users from around the world can access it. Many startups start their infrastructure using EC2. Now we try to learn that what is the difference between EC2 and traditional on-prem data center server. So first, to what is traditional server and why we prefer EC2 or cloud servers, because in traditional on-prem setup, the servers are expensive and they are hard to manage, and these servers offers limited scalability. EC2 gives us flexibility that traditional servers cannot provide. You don't need to buy any hardware, you just launch a server according to your requirement when you need it. So EC2 servers are on-demand servers. We can launch instances in minutes and we can only pay for what we used. So that is why EC2 instances are more preferable. Before we talk about EC2, it is important to understand what compute means in cloud computing. Compute refers to the processing power required to run applications, software, or services. Because EC2 itself is a category in compute of AWS. So in simple words, compute is the place where your code runs. In AWS, there are multiple compute services that allow developers to run applications in different way depending on their need. One of the most popular compute service is Amazon EC2, which we will explore in this course. So compute includes virtual servers. It can be containers, Docker containers, or serverless executions like Lambdas. And these are some of the services that AWS compute category offers, which is EC2, which we will study further in this course, Lambda, which is serverless computing, ECS, which stands for Elastic Container Service, which is managed container service, EKS, which allows you to run Kubernetes on AWS, Elastic Beanstalk, this is platform as a service, Fargate, which is also serverless containers, and Lightsail, which is beginner friendly cloud servers. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.